quick confirmation.
Recording in progress.
So I welcome all of you in this very exclusive Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis session. So today, what I will be doing, I will be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty in front of you for the first 30 minutes. And I'll be sharing some trading ideas with you. And in the next 30 minutes, I will take your questions in the live market. Are you all sitting comfortable? Good to go? Shall we start, guys? Yes? If you all can hear me clearly, if you can see the screen clearly, please give me a big hi in the comment box. Great. It's an honor. It's a pleasure to have you all here. And let's analyze this market. So let me just give a feedback. So in the morning, I took a sell trade. Yes. So I took a sell trade in the morning. And now if you see, this sell trade has worked and we made around 40-50 points into this sell trade, right? So Nifty future, we shorted Nifty future, and I can show you this is my angel account and booked 25,000 rupees at the start. So at the start of the day, I booked around 25,000 rupees in the first fall which came into the market. Now the question here is that how to make money from Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. एनालिसिस करने का पर्पस ही हमारा ये है कि हम मार्केट से प्रॉफिट बना सकें, राइट? नाउ I will be, if this candle closes above 500, I will be buying in front of you as well, right? So this is how you have to make intraday profits, and I will be showing you why I booked the profits in my short trade, right? Are you all ready for the analysis? Great. Let's start with the Nifty. So as a price action trader, yes, it is very important that you mark the previous session boundaries. ठीक है? Previous session की अगर हम boundaries देखें, this is the monthly chart of Nifty. And on the monthly chart, if you see, ये जो candle है, green candle, this is your previous month's candle. मतलब दिस इज योर मार्च कैंडल, ठीक है? मार्च के जो कैंडल बनी थी वो कैंडल है, और दिस इज योर प्रीवियस मंथ्स हाई एंड दिस इज योर प्रीवियस मंथ्स क्लोज, ठीक है? सो इफ आई मार्क द टू ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज एंड इफ आई राइट इट हियर, दिस इज योर प्रीवियस मंथ्स हाई, राइट? एंड this is your previous month's close, right? This is close. Now go back to the weekly chart. This is how Nifty performed last week. Last week में अगर हम देखें तो हमारे पास 2 हफ्ते तेजी आई, एक हफ्ते बाजार में कंसोलिडेशन रहा, अगले हफ्ते फिर बाजार में तेजी आई, और उसके बाद बाजार में हमने एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग देखी, 18,114 तक बाजार गया, एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आई, और उसके बाद प्रॉफिट बुकिंग का ये जो दूसरा हफ्ता है ये चालू है. नाउ दिस मंथ इफ यू सी, वी क्लोज्ड बिलो द प्रीवियस वीक्स लो, ठीक है? सो राइट नाउ पिछले हफ्ते का जो लो बनाया था निफ्टी ने 17,600 का, अभी हम 17,503 पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, मतलब पिछले महीने के लो के भी हम नीचे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. So that somewhere sets up a bearish tone in the market कि बाजार में कहीं ना कहीं जो रुझान है, जो झुकाव है, वो bearish side में है, and that's why we are falling, right? And as far as daily chart is concerned, डेली चार्ट पे अगर हम देखें, कल एक छोटे रेंज का एक साइडवेज टाइप का दिन था, और उस साइडवेज दिन के बाद आज हम बाजार में गैप डाउन खुले, वो गैप डाउन लोअर साइड में एक्सेलरेट हुआ एंड नाउ वी आर मूविंग up after taking support from 17,462, or 17,462 is also your previous month's close. So these are your important areas जहां से बाजारें react करती हैं, right? These are the important zones, important locations from where you can expect an action in the market. Now you see I booked 25,000 rupees. Now I'm again buying 10 lots of Nifty future in front of you, just to show you how money is made in the market. I bought future around 545, right? So let me add here, and you will gain a lot of confidence by looking at this, that how money is made, right? तो ये हमने निफ्टी फ्यूचर लगा दिया, right? This is your Nifty April future. अब अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें, why I have bought it, because it has taken support from an important zone, and after taking support from an important zone, it started moving up, and you got 3 candles on the upside, right? So as far as price action trading is concerned, it's like we are all set for an up move, or market may have bottomed out right here. Okay, so let's move on. So I will be showing you my positions. I only bought 10 lots, right? Now let's go here. So Nifty may, now if you see Nifty on a daily chart, on a from a bigger time frame perspective, we are falling from last how many days? From last 7 days, 6 days. This is the 6th day in a row when we are falling, and market has set up a lower high and lower low sort of pattern in the market, right? अगर हम बाजार को देखें, this is the one leg, another leg, and this is another leg which is ongoing. So this is how a bearish market, a corrective market, continues on the lower side, right? So ये हफ्ता आप सभी को पता है कि this is a truncated week, right? So 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, we all have off, right? तो बाजार के पास 2 हफ्ते हैं, 2 दिन है, एक आज का दिन है और एक कल का ट्रेडिंग सेशन है. We have 2 trading sessions for the profitability, right? Now now I believe if I apply the moving average setup, let me apply the YTG, my own moving average system. Today market tested 17,440, right? 440, this zone is your 20 period moving average zone. So correcting, after correcting multiple times, हम support area में, and this is also your previous month's close, previous month's high. In total, if you ask me, if I sum up all the informations, right, we moved down and moving down from last 6 days, we are in a support area for sure. And if market finds support in this area, in this zone of 17,450, और आप कह सकते हैं कि अगर बाजार 17,500 के नीचे सस्टेन नहीं करता, लाइक वी आर नॉट राइट नाउ, अगर अभी हम देखें तो हम 17,500 के नीचे सस्टेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, we are not sustaining below 17,500. If that is the case, you may see the fastest recovery in the next 2 days, including today's second half as well as tomorrow. So before going into the vacation, you can see a recovery coming back into the market, which could take it back towards 17,700 to 17,750 in a hurry, quickly. कितने लोगों को ये बात समझ में आई? Is this analysis clear so far to all of you? Yes, guys, please type yes in the chat box. Just give me a quick confirmation. Yes. That's how things are set up. Okay, so if I conclude that all the things the conclusion here is that we are in a strong support zone, and from here onwards buying is expected in the market. और अगर बाजार 17,450 460 इस जोन से जहां से अभी सपोर्ट मिला है, इन अदर वेज अगर बाजार 17,500 के नीचे सस्टेन नहीं करती राइट नाउ, लाइक इट इज नॉट सस्टेनिंग, we are expecting a recovery in the market back towards 17,650 to maybe 17,700. I concluded. Is this point clear to all of you guys? Yes? Yes? And this is how I am doing, making 27,000 rupees in front of you. 25 was already booked, 2,000 rupees almost on the current trade, right? This is how it is. Fine. Now let's go to the bank nifty. Yeah. Now if you compare the two, let me make it a split screen. Okay. If I make it a split screen, if you compare the two, nifty and bank nifty, can all of you tell me which one is more strong? Which one is more strong? कौन सा चार्ट ज्यादा strong है? Which one is more strong? Nifty is strong or bank nifty is strong? Which one is more strong? Yes, anybody here? क्या लगता है आपको, निफ्टी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है या बैंक निफ्टी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है? Obviously bank nifty is stronger than the nifty because you can see a green color candle in the bank nifty, while nifty is red, it is flat to red. So obviously nifty bank is strong. Also if you see here, nifty bank has tested, is almost close to the to this zone. ये वो जोन था जब पहली बार निफ्टी बैंक ने 200 दिनों का, this red color moving average which you are seeing on the chart is your 200 period moving average. It's a flattish, a solid and the strongest support zone, and this is the price action concept. Okay? This is not the conventional technical analysis where you are looking at the moving averages only for the from a different perspective. यहाँ पे जो हम 200 दिनों का moving average देख रहे हैं, this gives you the strong support to the price, right? So this gives you conviction कि अगर हम दोनों को compare करें तो निफ्टी बैंक is more strong than निफ्टी, and yesterday also अगर हम कल का भी मार्केट देखें तो कल भी निफ्टी बैंक इतना नहीं गिरी, it only lost the gains, intraday gains, but it was not red. निफ्टी में प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आई है, people are booking profit significantly in the nifty, right? This you all have to understand, right? तो उसके बाद अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो बैंक निफ्टी is creating a very thin, a small band into this zone, right? इस पूरे जोन में अगर हम देखें तो कैंडल्स ऐसी दिख रही है जैसे कि स्टार्स हो. Yes. So yes, this is a sideways market, a complete sideways market. If you go by the 60-minute hourly chart, we are again flat, almost flat. And this was the lower trajectory, lower boundary of the entire sideways market. तो निफ्टी बैंक ने पहले अगर हम देखें तो 37,346 का लो लगाया था, आज का लो उसका 37,264 का है, and then from there we are seeing recovery in the price, right? 15 मिनट का चार्ट भी देखें तो it almost reversing, and on a 5-minute chart it is trying to reverse. तो अगर आज बाजार में वापस बाजार गिर के लो वगैरह नहीं काटती है तो we can see a recovery coming into the market in the second half, and my sense is that if correction completes here, right, if correction completes here, we could see a fastest short covering rally in the market in next 2 days. Today is second half and tomorrow. So looking at the structure, looking at the things, I'm hopeful about the market, right? एंड जहां तक बैंक निफ्टी का सवाल है, बैंक निफ्टी 200 दिनों के आसपास है। एक तरीका ये था कि आके इसको टेस्ट करती, और दूसरा तरीका है कि यहाँ पे ही नया लो नहीं बनाती है तो हमको इसमें रिकवरी देखने को मिल सकती है। जो भी तरीका बैंक निफ्टी अपनाए, अगर आज के दिन का लो नहीं करता है तो वी मे सी मूव कमिंग बैक टुवर्ड्स 37,900 क्विकली to 38,000. This zone should be tested, 38,000, 38,100. अगर इन केस लो वगैरह कटता है निफ्टी बैंक का, तो फिर हम थोड़ा सा एक्सेलरेट होते हुए जरूर देखेंगे फॉल को, और उस केस में 37,000 36,900 एक 400-500 पॉइंट की फॉल निफ्टी बैंक में फिर से आ सकती है। So this is how Nifty and Nifty Bank is structured, right? So what I have position right now is I bought the Nifty, and I bought the Nifty with days low kind of stop loss, and let's see what happens, right? So almost making it 27,000 rupees in front of you, all of you. Now, let's analyze more about the bank Nifty so that we get a clear idea. So if we, if I remove the indicators and let's mark the boundaries here, this is your previous month's high and this is your previous month's close. So Nifty bank already took support from the important zones, right? अगर हम Nifty bank को देखें, if you look at the Nifty bank, पिछले महीने की क्लोजिंग थी 36,373 पे और हाई लगाया था निफ्टी बैंक ने 36,827 पे। उस हाई का सपोर्ट लेके निफ्टी बैंक वेंट अप, दिस हाई, इस हाई का सपोर्ट लिया और निफ्टी बैंक यहाँ से ऊपर चल दी। अब अगर हम देखें this fall on the weekly chart, if you see again Nifty bank is breaking the lows but it is above this. तो ओवरऑल जो ट्रेंड है निफ्टी बैंक का, इट इज पॉजिटिव एंड इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू रिमेन पॉजिटिव फॉर द डेज टू कम। ओनली द मैटर इज कि अगर यहाँ पे इसको सपोर्ट मिलता है करंट रेट्स पे अराउंड 37,200 to 300, we could see a recovery in Nifty followed by a recovery in the bank Nifty, and hence the market may go up that way. If not, if we break the lows, then only we can see further sell off in the market, right? Yes, is this point clear to all of you? You see Nifty is moving up. So you all know I'm a pivot trader, and this is how pivot is suggesting me. As along with pivot we use moving averages, and if we combine the two, this is how the beautiful it looks like. यहाँ पे yes, here if you see, if it moves up, it can quickly touch 687. It means almost a 150 points kind of recovery we may get in the Nifty and Nifty bank. Sorry, in the Nifty, and has a 300 to 500 points kind of move in the Nifty bank as well. So Nifty and Nifty bank all are good. Stocks, if you see, stocks are how they are doing. Reliance may we saw a profit booking into Reliance, yes, but Reliance went up, and this is only a mean reversion kind of correction. तो मेरे हिसाब से those who were looking to enter in the Reliance, yes, because some of you might have missed the Reliance. So if I remove the drawings etc, ये जो सपोर्ट जोन था पहले, इसको यहाँ पे हमने तोड़ा, ऊपर गए, एंड दिस एक्शन इज नोन एज रीटेस्टिंग इन द प्राइस, राइट? तो ये जो एक्शन आता है बाजार में या स्टॉक में, दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज व्हाट retesting of the zone, right? Let me just write it for all the new people here. Retesting of the important zone or area or level, whatever you would like to call, you can say. तो अब इस जोन को हमने टेस्ट किया, if and this low was 2560, today is 2559. अगर अभी बाजार में निफ्टी रिलायंस में 2559 2559 का जिसका लो है, अगर वो लो ब्रेक नहीं करती है निफ्टी सॉरी रिलायंस, then we can see a recovery also into Reliance. So Reliance is a big supporter, a major contributor to the Nifty. So that way Nifty will also find support. ठीक है, निफ्टी के साथ साथ HDFC बैंक went up, you see. आज HDFC बैंक ने सपोर्ट लिया फाइनली 1480 रुपए के आसपास, एंड इट वेंट अप, राइट. So let's watch the price action closely, and I think Nifty should cross this 525 on the upside for the further continuation of this up move. तो निफ्टी अगर यहाँ से 525 530 के ऊपर जाती है, this will be confirmed and you can hold your long positions. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so let me just stop the recordings.